Hello students. So in this video we will be talking about the notification released about the vacant seats, available vacant seats for 24-25 academic session at National Law University Tripura, Agartala. Right, so if we look at the notification here, you can access the notification from our website lawprep.in. If you search for NLU vacancies 2024, this is the first website that you would see. Right, from there you can pretty much get to this particular notification. In the notification, if we have a look at the notification, right, what are the important things that are mentioned in the notification? First, they have mentioned the categories under which there are vacant seats. So if you look here, the interested candidates, they have to be under any of these categories. All India General. If you are availing SC reservation, then SC having Tripura domicile, ST Tripura, General from Tripura, and person with disability. These are the only vacant seats that are available as of now. But in future, any vacant seats, if it arises, then based on this particular application that you're going to fill only, any seats will be filled. Right? Any vacant seats in future will be filled. So it's mandatory for you to fill this particular application. The notification also says that there will be 3 rounds of allotment, right? And it also says that if you have already secured a rank in any of the NLU, you cannot apply here, and it makes sense because NLU Agartala is ranked right now at the end, right? And if you go to that, no, if you can pretty much from there see that key, because it's ranked by almost everyone at the last in the preference list, it doesn't make sense to include anyone who has already seat at any of the NLU which is above this, right? If you look at the links that have been provided, so links have been provided to file the application. We'll talk about that. Before that, a non-refundable amount of 1500 has to be paid in this regard to enroll yourself for this particular thing, and it's a non-refundable amount, so you won't get it back. And the only way through which you can make this payment is either internet banking, RTGS, NEFT transfer, or IMPS transfer. I will shortly talk about that and how to do that. So these are the details of the account holder to whom you have to transfer. So account number, account holder's name, branch, IFSC code, everything is mentioned. You can use any of these 4 modes, that is internet banking, RTGS, NEFT, or IMPS to make the payment. Remember this, before filling this particular application form, that is admission interest form that they have called in this, right, you have to make the payment. That means you have to first make the payment and then followed by this process of filling the application. This is because while filling the application, you have to attach the PDF copy of the payment receipt. That means after making this particular payment by any of these mode, you will get an acknowledgement. Payment acknowledgement. You have to take that payment acknowledgement in the PDF version and you have to upload it while filling the application form. I will tell you where precisely you have to fit it. And then if you talk about other detail, it talks about the last date, right? So the last date in this regard has been mentioned here, right? So if we come to the application, also they have mentioned that the candidates have to fill this on or before 5 p.m. of June 29, 2024. June 29 is the last day, right? Then apart from that, the first merit list will be drawn on 1st of July, the second list will be on 8th of July, and then the third list will be based on 18th of July. But they are subject to if there are still vacancies, right? Those students who get their name in the first merit list, they have to make the payment by July 5th. Similarly, for second and third also, they have mentioned July 15th and uh, June 5th, July 15th, and for third list student, you have to pay the payment before you join the university, right? In case your name appears in the merit list, only you are required to pay, then it makes sense. Then apart from that, if we get to the link and we go to the admission form, that is admission interest form, you will see all the details are basic details. Before getting into that, please read the conditions that are given here, right? It will be based on merit list, order of merit, that is the student who has the highest rank in that particular category, then he will avail it, right? Email address, full name, CLAT rank, CLAT score, CLAT admit card number, gender, right? Courses applying, right? Now here if you see, BLLB is the only course under UG, so you can tick on that you are applying for that. If you're opting for hostel facility, you have to mention it here because you have to pay an extra fee at later stage. Then category, if you have any of the category, as I've told you, general. Apart from that, SC, ST and everything, right now there are vacancies only for Tripura SC and Tripura ST, but it still has an option for Tripura All India SC and All India ST also, but that is subject to any vacancy that may come in future, right? Apart from that, date of birth, your address, your native city, native state, your class 12 status. If the results are out, click on pass, and if your results are not yet out, just click on appearing. What is the benefit of that? At later stage, you just can just skip uploading class 12 document. Now, apart from that, here you have to upload the acknowledgement receipt of the payment that you have made. That was one reason I was telling you that you have to make the payment beforehand and then get to the application, because while filling the application you have to attach the PDF copy of the acknowledgement of the payment of 1500 rupees that you have made to this particular account detail, right? Apart from that, you have to upload all these documents in a single PDF. That means use any of the merger which is available. You can merge PDF. You search for PDF merger on Google. There are plenty of PDF mergers. Merge all these documents, set of documents. If you are availing reservation, in that case the fourth document. Otherwise, all three other documents you have to merge it into one PDF and upload it here. Right. Apart from that, you have to merge all these documents also and upload it here. That is your class 10th mark sheet, your passing certificate of class 10th, class 12th mark sheet, and all those things. In case you don't have any of these documents, then if you read the 8th one, undertaking for missing document, this is available on website. There is a form which says that you are undertaking that these documents are not available with you right now, but in future or before admission you will make sure that these documents are made available to the university. So if any document is there which is not with you right as of now, then in that case you can fill an undertaking saying that those documents are not present and you will hand it over in future, right? Apart from that, click on the declaration saying that you accept it and submit the application form. With this, you have successfully given your interest. Based on your interest and your all India rank, obviously a merit list will be drawn, and based on that merit list people will be called to pay the college fee and log the seat. If suppose in the first list people don't enroll for that particular course and NLU, in that case, in the second vacant list round or the third vacant list round, it will be filled. Right, as I've told you, dates are out for everything. You can check the notification, and I've already discussed about the same just a few seconds back. Right, I hope that everything is made clear from the notification and the application form, but still if you have any doubt you can reach out to us using comment box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.